In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename menu items in Softr step by step so you can make your application's navigation much clearer and more user-friendly. Softr is a powerful no-code platform that lets you build web apps from Airtable or Google Sheets. And one of the simplest ways to improve the user experience is by giving each page a descriptive, intuitive name in the menu. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Softr account. Head over to the Softr website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. That's your main control panel. You'll see a menu item labeled Applications. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a list of all the Softr apps you've created. If you're working on multiple projects, this is where you'll find them all organized in one place. It's a good habit to keep your app names clear from the start. But don't worry if you haven't. Today we're focusing on the pages within each app. Now locate the specific application you want to edit. It could be a client portal, an internal dashboard, or a membership site, whatever you're building. Click on that application to open it. After the application loads, you'll notice the left sidebar changes to show options specific to that app. Look for the Pages icon and click on it. This is where all the pages of your application are listed, including any default pages Softr created for you, like a home page or a sign-in page, plus any custom pages you've added. Understanding this section is key because every page you see here corresponds to a menu item in your live app's navigation. Under the App Pages section, you'll see a list of all your pages. Find the page whose menu item you want to rename. Maybe it's a page called Page 1 Inch or something generic that you want to change to Dashboard or Contact Us. Hover your mouse over that page and you'll notice a small gear icon, that's the Settings icon, appear beside it. Click on that icon. This opens the Page Settings panel, which is essentially the control center for that individual page. You can think of this panel as the place where you manage everything about that page, from its SEO settings to its layout. Inside the Page Settings panel, look for the General tab. Click on it to access the basic settings for the selected page. This is where you'll find the page's name, URL slug, and other foundational options. Under Page Name, you'll see the current name displayed. Click on the existing name and type in the new name you want to appear in your application's navigation menu. Choose a name that clearly describes the page and is easy for users to understand. For example, instead of Page 3, use Our Services or Pricing. Avoid jargon or internal terms that might confuse visitors. A best practice here is to think like your end user. What would they naturally search for or expect to see? Short descriptive names work best because they fit neatly in navigation bars and are quickly scannable. Once you've updated the page name, here's the great part. Softr automatically updates the menu item throughout your entire application. There's no separate save button for the menu itself. The change is instant. You'll see the new label appear in your app's navigation when you preview it. Take a moment to review the updated name and make sure it fits with the rest of your menu. Consistency is important. If you have a menu with names like Home, About, and Contact, a page named Resource Library would fit right in. But if you suddenly have a page called Data Import Tool V2 Beta Test, it might stick out and confuse users. Keep everything in the same style and tone. If your application contains multiple pages, repeat this process for any additional menu items you want to rename. Maybe you have a support page, a blog, or a user profile section. Each one can be given a clear, friendly name. Keeping your navigation organized with clear page names makes it easier for users to find the information they need and reduces support requests. It's one of those small changes that has a big impact on usability. Before you move on to the next lesson or publish your changes, I strongly recommend previewing your application. Click the preview button in the top right corner of the Soft editor. This opens a live version of your app, just as your users will see it. Navigate through the menu to confirm that the updated menu name appears correctly and that the page loads as expected. Also, check that the navigation continues to function. Sometimes a rename can affect internal links or drop-down menus if you have nested pages. A quick preview saves you from embarrassing typos or broken navigation later. So to recap, you've now learned exactly how to rename menu items in Softr. By giving each page a clear, descriptive name, you make your app more intuitive and professional. As a next step, consider applying the same approach to all your pages for a cohesive experience. And if you ever need a refresher on this or other Softr tips, feel free to save this video or come back to it anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.